New year, new hopes. A new year is a special time when people stop and think about their lives and their dreams. Many people feel happy because a new year brings a fresh start and new chances. It is a moment to remember the good things that happened and also learn from the difficult moments. People often feel hopeful because the future is still open and full of possibilities. A new year reminds us that change is possible with patience and effort. It also teaches us that every day is a new opportunity to do better. During the new year, many people make simple goals to improve their lives. Some want to learn new skills, while others want to be healthier or more positive. These goals do not need to be perfect or very big to be important. Small steps taken every day can create big changes over time. Hope grows when people believe in themselves and stay focused. The new year is a reminder that effort matters more than speed. The new year is also a time to spend with family and friends. People share good wishes, smiles, and kind words with each other. These moments help create strong connections and positive memories. Being thankful for what we have can bring peace to our minds. Gratitude helps us start the year with a calm and open heart. When people support each other, hope becomes stronger. New hopes help people move forward even when life feels difficult. A new year does not erase problems, but it gives us courage to face them. Every sunrise in the new year is a chance to begin again. Hope grows when we choose to stay positive and keep learning. With patience and kindness, the new year can become meaningful. New year, new hopes, and new reasons to believe in a better future. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.